What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Dog, man. Hey, bro, as y'all seen my last video, man, we got the engine put into the Chrysler 300. And today, y'all see by the title, we finna get the first start today, man. Yes, sir! We finna get the first start. Right now, I'm on the way to my boy King's shop, man. And we about to go put some fluids in this thing, bro. And start this thing up. I ain't gonna lie to you, we gonna get straight into it. But before we get into it, man, make sure y'all drop a like on this video. Y'all hit the like goal last video, I'm not gonna lie. We needed 700 likes last video. Y'all hit the like video. This video right here, gang, I need 1,000. I'm looking you dead in your eyes. You probably got your feet up right now. I'm looking at you right now, bro. I need you to subscribe and hit that like button right now, bro. It take 2 seconds, bro. If y'all want me to begin the hell, because y'all know me getting the Hellcat don't mean this the hell dog, right? Like, what? It's still a Hellcat. Like, we gonna build this cat up, bro, to turn it into a hell dog. But I need y'all to drop them likes and hit that sub button right now. But hey, y'all, man, when I make it to my boy King's shop, man, sure, I'm gonna begin recording again, man. So I'll see y'all in about 3 seconds, bro. Simple as that. All right, y'all, we done made it to the shop, man. No cap, man. As y'all can see, man, we got the guys here. My boy King here. My boy AJ here, man. What are those? 390. Bro, go. Stop, bro. You just made me flinch all this shit, man. But anyway, man, we got the Chrysler 300 right here, as y'all can see, bro.
Tell bro, don't bounce out on them, yeah, you gon' fuck up the mission. Was finna tell bro, hit the chop, but he already did it. He smacked through the wrong lot, they left his ass up on the fences. I up and then I shot, I watched him hit the cut, start twitching. He felt the chop for all that this and busy, came with shifters. This bitch slapped black the sunroof, back BJ gon' work the engine. The needle crammed on the 4-1, but the chopper still skipping. All these hoes on go, might be your bitch, but that little bitch my mission.
We got the engine in, we got all the fluids in, oil is in as well, cooling is as well. Wait, is cooling there? Got cooler in there as well, man, so we good for all that. Still gotta put these back seats in, man. We're gonna do that probably this video or next video. But we got the front seats in from last video. Y'all seen everything from last video, bro. So this thing is almost done, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, man. But today, y'all, as y'all can see by the title, we about to get the first start. And I don't know what's about to happen, brother. I'm scared, brother. You remember what happened with the 6-1, brother?
You remember? Hey, bro, up here.
My bad.
6-1. Y'all see how you don't drop no more kinds of the 6-1. That's actually messed up, bro.
Bro, how's it messed up?
Give him some love with the 6-1.
Bro, I'm scared to drive the 6-1, bro. Like, it's old.
What do you say fuck me for?
King, where the keys, G. I ain't gonna lie, I'm low-key excited.
That's a black key.
Chat, man. Good old red one. I ain't never had a red key.
I see, no, I have.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
I have. Look, brother. Look, I have a key.
That look like it's on TikTok. It's fake. I knew it. It's a little lighter than this one.
No, this one's brighter than
it's
that
a little lighter.
No, this is the real red key, brother.
Better than no, brother. No, you got the fake one, brother. It's okay, though. Bro. My bad, bro. I'm sorry. It's like, your feet is a Hellcat, man. Anyway, man, we got the keys right here, man. Got the battery inside the hell kizzy. Bro, get away from the front, because I know what you about to do. Get away from the front, because I know what you Bro, if y'all don't, I'm probably going to put a clip in the video, bro. If y'all don't remember what happened with the 6-1 when I started it up, bro. I thought I had a motor knock, bro. And King trolled me today, too. He said, bro, I got bad news, bro. Motor knock. And I tell you, nigga, I just swallowed the biggest gulp, nigga.
What?
No, not like, come on, cuz. Damn, bro, be trolling, bro. Say you feel power?
Yeah, like, I feel like if I touch it, I'm about to get shocked.
But get your Static Shock looking ass on, bruh. Feel the power from the hell kizzy. My boy King jumping this thing real quick, man. We gonna get a start for y'all. We probably ain't gonna do no POV drive, y'all. We probably gonna say that for a separate video. But I do at least want to show y'all the startup on the Chrysler 300, bro. So that's what we finna get today.
1 million, zillion, jillion, dillion, cotillion times later.
Should be cool? All right, man. Moment of truth, y'all, boy. Damn, like he nervous, man.
How does it feel to officially sit in a real SRT? You ain't never seen a clutch that look like that in your life. 200 on the dash.
Bro, shut up, dude.
Guess what your steering wheel say, though? Dodge.
This be hating, bro. Hey, record. Yeah. Shit, hold this one, too. I'm gonna get it from that.
You started up.
Hell no, I want the outside. Hell no. Bro, I want the outside, bro. Hold my phone next to your phone. Stop bull. So we got the first start on the HELLCAT 300, man. Shout out my dog King, man. Oh, God, man. Get it, bro.
Okay.
I don't know how to rev a cat, cuz. How you rev it?
Just tap it, brother. Oh, that's not tapping, bro.
I don't want to do too much. We got to do a couple little tweaks to the car, man. But y'all see this thing is running, man. We still got some things to do, bro. This thing is looking crazy, bro. Hey, rev that bit for me. Let me get the back view, man. Get the, come on, man. Get a little rev, man. Dude, be trolling, bro. Let me see the outside view from the back, y'all. Hey, this thing got a little power to it. Yeah, we gotta do something with that exhaust. That exhaust a lot. Grown man, bro. Grown man. We gonna put something on these things, though, but this thing looking crazy, man. Gonna do the green belt. We gonna get all that shit going, man. But this is the first startup of the HELLCAT, man. As y'all can see, bro. Let me get one more little pat for y'all. But there you got it right there, y'all. First startup of the HELLCAT, man. Hey, y'all comment below WLs, man. Great swap right here, bro. Hey, POV drive coming soon. Whole bunch of videos coming soon. As y'all can see, bro, we gonna get a full rundown of the car too, bro. Rims is looking crazy. Definitely got to do something to these rims. Different colors and all that. I might just paint them.
I mean, this is over the bit.
It is a little bit. I did see that a little bit. It is a little bit.
But it's fixable, man.
It is a little bit. Y'all comment what should we do for the rims, man. I don't know what we gonna do yet, bro. The first mine I'm probably doing those painted calipers. That's the cheapest and fastest thing I can do. Not gonna lie.
That's fast. That's fast.
Not gonna lie. That shit would take a couple hours. But yeah, man, y'all comment below, man. What y'all think, bro? This is how the Chrysler 300 HELLCAT sounded. So there was right there, man. Hey, y'all, I ain't gonna lie. I really do gotta change this exhaust, though, man. Y'all let me know. Should we straight pipe? It's not smart to straight pipe it up.
I mean, you want to loud like a dog.
I might have to do it then, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Nobody wants nothing to be normal. Comment below. We want it loud like a dog. We want it to bark. What she say? Bark if you want it. Rough monkey.
Rough. But I'm not gonna lie, y'all. This probably is gonna be a cool little short 10-minute video for y'all, man. Just at least wanted to show y'all the start. And then after that, man, we gonna take delivery, man. No cap, man. Just got a couple little things we gotta, Keem gonna be doing, man. Cause I'm not doing shit. So my boy Keem gonna get the rest of these seats in, bro. The trunk, and then what? That's pretty much it, huh? Say less, man. We almost there, man. Simple as that. So y'all run these likes up, man. I ain't gonna lie. I already told y'all, man. 1,000 likes for this, man. First start up on the Chrysler 300 HELLCAT, man. Thing running, thing sound good. No knocking the motor. Thank God. Cause I was scared. I ain't gonna lie. But it's a risk when you do these swaps and shit, man. You don't know what type of condition the car is in when you get it. But this thing gets smooth, man. As y'all just heard, man. The exhaust was ass. We gonna do that work for the exhaust, like I said. And this thing gonna be crazy, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, man. But that's the rundown, bruh. We need a new bumper. We need a new hood. We need a new everything for this car, bro. So y'all finna see it start from scratch. And this motherfucker gonna be crazy, man, in the future, man. No cap. The Hell Dog is on the way, bro.
One day later.
What's good, YouTube, man? It's the next day, bro. We back, bro. Helping my boy AJ, man. We about to do some shit for his car, man. So make sure y'all tune into my boy channel, bro. What we doing today, brother?
Today, man, we're making baby chicken hog.
Baby chicken hawk. So
you can see,
you f***ing shit up, basically.
yeah.
Heard you.
You see, I have 5 spokes, something that nobody else has. I got charcoal from bumper. Yeah. So unfortunately,
The front looks way better than the side.
off, but it's okay. We're gonna fix that. And then I got a light right here, but then I'm gonna put that light over here.
But yo, ass a Chinaman, boy?
Fix that. Oh, I forgot I ordered. There's some things that go right there to keep the bumper on. So then we gonna fix that.
Finally gonna have a fixed fucking car, bro. Sick.
Should I put a jack under there?
Yes, bro. Like, dude, tweaking. Anyway, man, we finna install. Is this the wide body kit?
No wide buddy, brother.
Everybody
else, bro, everybody can get BBL. And honestly, bro, everybody BBL like a fat BBL. If I ever go BBL, it's gonna be like skinny, petite BBL. So I ain't gonna do that, you know?
Anyway, man, trying to go put y'all on the tripod while we do this. We gotta take these fender liners off. And what are we doing though? All jokes aside, I don't know what we're doing.
We're gonna put the charcoal fenders right here. We're gonna probably put a wing on the back. We already did the bumper in the head.
Wing on the back. Let's see how the back look. Hold on. But he has all the parts, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all make sure y'all tune into his video.
He's in here because mine's ruined. But I don't know if I should put him in because my oil pan thing flew off last night.
This car sucks, bro.
Wide body though. This is if I was.
Wide
If I
body.
was to get a BBL, this would be the way I go. But
Vicars?
Vicars.
Shout out Vicars.
Sponsor.
Shout out Vicars.
This is the wing for the top of this.
Let me see. Close this, bro. Let me see how the back look, man. Dude, you're fat as dude.
Y'all I got a hoodie on. I'm on my Adrian Bronner training stuff. Like, you know, he's about to go to camp real soon, so I'm about to lose this weight just like him.
Cap. Oh, that's gonna look tough.
Yeah, brother.
Oh, that's gonna look tough.
Yeah, brother. You know, we just, you know, what color should we do? I don't know.
That's gonna be tough. I ain't gonna lie.
5-inch quad tips. You like quad tips? No quad tips?
Quad tips. I think you should
I'll go
definitely do quad tips. That's track look.
Then we're gonna hide this. We're gonna hide this. But this is the latch that we're gonna put on the back of the trailer, just in case we want to draft. We're gonna take your car, your Hellcat. We put your Hellcat on the trailer, and then we go to North Carolina, legal pit, or we put my car on the back.
Now let me use that bitch, please.
Yes, brother. You can
Yes, brother. Oh my God, getting pulled by the baby chicken.
Oh my gas. Yeah.
Oh, gas boat? No, hell no.
About 120 to fill up. 120.
Dude,
Nope.
120 for the top?
Yeah, and they only give you 300 miles.
Bro, I like Trackhawks and Jeeps, bro, but no, bro, that's ridiculous. I ain't gonna lie. Most I fill up 70. But a Hellcat like 70, ain't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do that, bro. 70 is gonna hurt, but it ain't gonna. 120, that damn near double.
That's definitely gonna hurt, brother, because we're towing a damn car.
Golly, bro. And then my boy got the airdrop suspension too, so this thing gonna drop low. But this the preview, y'all. This the previous, man. Make sure y'all tune into the video, bro. Y'all gonna see the after, bro. This shit gonna come out cool. I ain't gonna lie. So yeah, man, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna set y'all up, and we probably gonna just take these fender liners off, start adding the Trackhawk fenders, and then yeah, man, no cap. But this thing gonna come out cool.
Nice.
And make sure y'all drop a like and subscribe too, man, cause next video, bro.
Next video, you could be possibly, you know, doing donuts.
I don't do donuts though. I put something in my car where I can remote control it like a PS5, and I can basically drive like it's Forza.
On what?
And my Chrysler, that's like my Chrysler always slides. It's nobody in there.
Oh, I forgot about that, brother.
Let's take these rims off real quick, man. Tire change, dog in the building, brother. Air ride suspension. All right, y'all, we just got my boy AJ rim off, man. Shout out to my dog, man. All the times he helped me, I'm helping him with one rim. He's doing the rest. Dude, car so damn janky, gang. Control arm messed up. Air ride suspension messed up. Look at this tire, y'all. Cruised, bro. Oh! That is terrible, bro. Like, I'm surprised you know how to work on these new cars. Oh, this shit. You work on fucking Buick Regals.
You probably had that as your first
Oh,
car.
stop it. My first
was
car.
probably brand new when you got it.
My first car was a Chevy Cavalier. 2002 to be exact. It had the brown cinnamon Pop-Tart color on it.
Dang, your first car was like brand new when you first got
No, it wasn't brand new.
How many years old? Like two
Dude, I got
old?
that when I was like 19, bro. I got my first car at 19, gang. Yeah, I know, bro. Boy was footing shit. Dude, this damn car, bro, it is hot as hell outside, bro.
You got like a
That sun is just beaming, gang. Let's get this fender liner on. All right, you guys. So my boy AJ put the fender on. I didn't help him. I don't help.
Hi.
Unless it's my car, you know. But my boy got that thing on, man. The fender is actually pretty decent. I'm not gonna lie, it's not terrible. Gonna put some 5M. What'd you say? 5M tape?
3M.
3M, whatever. 3 millimeters, megameters. Tape behind there so it don't fall off, man. This thing kind of flush, bro. I'm not gonna lie. You did a decent job, brother.
Appreciate you, brother.
I'm not gonna lie, brother. I mean, this is a little messed up, brother, but that's.
Hey, look, we got a little piece that got to go in here.
Okay.
And then it's gonna be like that, bro.
Oh, it's gonna be flush? Okay.
It's gonna
All
be
right.
just like that, bro.
Okay.
Don't hate now.
Dang, not bad, bro. So now you're about to do the other side as well, man. I'm not gonna lie, probably gonna end the video there, man. I'm not gonna lie to you, man. But hey, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed the vid, man. We got the first startup of the Hellcat, bro. Hey, shout out to y'all boys showing love on Instagram. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at 300dog, bro. I know I probably look crazy right now, bro. Your boy dog just got out work, man. But got to grind for y'all, man. So we recording, we getting these videos off for y'all, man. So shoot, like I said, drop a like. So for next video might be a POV drive. I don't know what it's gonna be, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I really don't know, bro.
I wish we could take it to the hood. Maybe we'll, do a comparison video of your 300 versus that 300.
It's a lot we could do, y'all. Y'all comment below what y'all want to
interior-wise.
see, man.
Which one's louder?
I'll be going. But hey, man, I'm out. Y'all stay safe. Y'all stay blessed, man. If nobody believe in y'all, I do. And I'm out, man.